Hi everyone. It's a video about using transfer film on dark transfer paper. This is our dark transfer paper with Vision logo. When you print the image on the dark transfer paper, you should do as following steps. Open the image. Adjust the size. Contouring chassis. Add mark. Then you print the picture. Choose the plain paper and high quality print setting. After you print the picture, cut the dark transfer paper by pladder. In order to avoid dark transfer paper jumping out, stick the plain paper. First, put a dark transfer paper into the pladder and move to the right position. Then, the pladder will cut according to scanning the position point. After cutting the outline, you should weed the needleless parts. Finally, stick the transfer film on the transfer paper. Put the t-shirt on the flat bottom bolt. Press down handle for 3 seconds in order to make the t-shirt flatter. Next, put the dark transfer paper on the suitable position of t-shirt. When it's finished, peel on cold or warm.